Ada, watch out!
Oh, no. I broke Nason's favorite toy and Auntie Nadine put me in charge of it. He's going to be so sad.
Not if he never knows. We can fix it before he comes back outside.
Rosie's right. We are scientists. You're right. We've got to move fast.
I know I can figure out the engineering.
Perfect. Loading the lab.
Scissors, tape, glue. Whew, thanks, Iggy. Phooey! We have a problem.
What's wrong?
We're missing the piece that holds the pinwheel together.
Uh-oh.
It's probably somewhere in the backyard. Let's look for it.
Can't find it anywhere. I can't believe I broke Nason's pinwheel, and we can't fix it.
Uh-oh! Nason's back. He's gonna want his pinwheel.
What are we gonna do? Well, Nason likes to check out how his food feels and smells before eating it, so it takes a while. We still have time. Phew.
Yes!
Chicken nugget. Eat. Eat.
Agree. Hey, Mom. Grandma's on the phone. I'll stay with Nason.
No thanks, sweetie. Y'all have fun.
Okay, guys, we need to razzle and dazzle in a brainstorm.
Brainstorm, brainstorm.
Throw in every thought you've had, no idea is ever bad.
Brainstorm, brainstorm.
Gather up your friends and try to find the how, the what, the why.
Brainstorm, brainstorm. Let our imaginations become great new creations when we brainstorm, 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 brainstorm.
Hey, I have an idea. We could plant an epic garden with pieces from Nason's old pinwheel, with a big ice cream fountain in the middle of it. But a garden like that would need a specialty gardener.
True, and there's only a few of them in the whole world.
Whoa!
We could sprinkle unicorn dust on the pinwheel. It can heal anything. But we'd need the approval of the Unicorn Council, and that takes a long time.
We don't have time to wait for the Unicorn Council to make a decision and make ice cream before Nason has to go home.
Wait, ice cream? Chocolate razzle? Iggy, you're reinventing chocolate ice cream to make chocolate razzle. What if we reinvent Nason's pinwheel?
And make pinwheel razzle. That made way more sense in my head.
Yeah, sort of. If reinventing stuff is about improving it and keeping what makes it great, we can make a better pinwheel for Nason.
Yeah, like it's colorful, but we can add more colors.
And it spins in the wind. But I can design a pinwheel that spins when there's no wind.
We could call it a spinwheel.
Genius.
Love it.
But how do we make it spin by itself?
Wind turbines. Their design is so cool. And they turn wind into electricity.
Wonderful idea, Iggy. Let's check them out.
Whoa, they look like giant pinwheels.
Uh-huh. Looks like the blades catch the wind and spin like a pinwheel.
Wind turns the blades around a rotor that spins a generator to create electricity.
Cool. But how does wind electricity work when there's no wind?
Batteries. They store the wind power that lets us use the electricity later.
Fascinating.
Let's design a spin wheel.
Spin-tastic.
Whoa!
And it's done.
It's beautiful. Nason just finished eating.
I really hope he likes it. Hey, Nason, we made you a new toy called a Spinwheel. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
Perfect. See this button? You can press it to make your spinwheel spin when it's not windy. I think he likes it.
Whoa! How'd you make the pinwheel spin with no wind?
We put a battery on it that stores wind energy. You could say we reinvented the pinwheel.
I have to hand it to you, kids. That's awesome.